These YouTube channels that do not show their faces are generating thousands of visits for videos about facts. Today we will show how to make this type of video in just 5 minutes with the help of artificial intelligence. As we can see, there are broad topics such as geography, space, or the human body. What are you waiting for to set up your channel about facts? We will be using 2 AI tools, the popular ChatGPT and Fliki, an AI editing software which makes effortless your creations. Then we will go to GPT and tell it to create 50 facts about money. Each fact will be 1 sentence. We can also tell it to create an intro and an outro. But this is optional, you will see later. ChatGPT will start working, and in just 10 seconds, we will have the 50 facts necessary to create the video. As you can see, GPT Chat has already created both the 50 facts and the intro and the other. Now we have to copy the 50 facts and take them to a notepad where we will make a small modification. Once we are in the notepad with the 50 facts, we're going to start removing all the periods at the end of the sentences. This will help so that when we create our video, the periods do not appear in the subtitles since it would be less attractive. Now, we will go to Flicky, which is a tool that we have already tried before in other videos that has a free plan of up to 5 minutes. But I currently get the standard plan, which has 180 minutes of creation in 1080p, and with a multitude of AI voices. The link is in the description or in the pinned comments. If you still don't know which plan to choose, here is a table that offers all the different advantages between one and the other. However, I recommend you try the free version before buying a paid plan. Now yes, let's go to first you have to create a new file and give it a name. This does not have much importance. Once in, the magic comes. Now it is time to paste all the phrases that we had obtained before from ChatGPT. Then 50 scenes will be created automatically. Now, if we go to settings, we can change the time between scenes to 1 second and the ratio to landscape. This will make our video look perfect for YouTube. Now it's time to change the voice. As you can see, I have a lot of voices since I have the standard plan. In this case, I'm going to choose Gavin's voice. Video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute. That wasn't me, that was Gavin. He literally has the same voice as me. Apply to all the voiceovers and let's continue. Now we're going to change the subtitles. We will make them smaller. We will remove the background that it has, and we will add a shadow. It is important that there are subtitles as this will attract more audience. Don't forget to apply to similar layers. If not, your design will only appear in this scene. As you can see, the layouts of our scenes are empty, so they have to be filled out. We could make this automatically too. However, I prefer to add them manually for a better result. But don't worry, you won't struggle looking for footage videos on internet because Flicky owns a library with thousands of footage videos. This is too fast, thanks to this feature, and we can find high-quality videos as well. The key to finding good videos is to search for good keywords which are found in the sentences of each fact. Okay, now we are going to list each fact so that the audience can know how many facts are left. We will create a text layer for each scene. Make sure to adjust the position of the layer so that it is not in the middle. Moreover, we will change the text color to white and the background to yellow. Finally, apply to similar layers so the design keeps the same for each scene. Now you have to add the layers one by one until you reach 50. I would like to tell you that if you are enjoying the video, I would appreciate it if you subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss any video. Okay, now I am going to show you the limit that Flicky has of 50 scenes. Therefore, we will not be able to add our intro and outro here. However, we can use another free editing software called CapCut to simply add our intro and outro as we like. However, I would not recommend it because the video looks great just like this, and it would lose a little quality if we edited it again. So get ready for the final result. It is awesome. Money is a tool for exchanging goods and services. The first coins were made in ancient Lydia, now part of Turkey. Paper money originated in China around the 7th century. The word dollar comes from the German word thaler. Coins can be made from metals like copper, nickel, and gold.
Banknotes are made from cotton paper or polymer.
Oh, did you hear that?
Notes are made from cotton paper.
He was whispering. It didn't sound properly. Don't worry, it is completely normal given that the software is still processing all the info. Moreover, I will fix this in front of you. It has a very easy solution, so focus on this. You have to go to the scene and make a little change and then press enter. This will make the software process the info and edit it properly. Notes are made from cotton paper or polymer. The value of money is based on trust in the issuing authority. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of money over time. The symbol for the British pound is EA, and for the euro, it's EA. Cashless payments use electronic methods like cards or mobile apps. The advantages of editing in Flicky do not end here. Flicky offers many more benefits, such as services to convert ideas to video, which can help you create multiple videos without any effort. Also, Flicky can translate videos into other languages, which can save you a lot of time and money. Also, it is a way to expand your YouTube channel. In addition, Flicky has a very interesting tool to make changes to the pronunciation of the scripts. You enter a word and you can change it to another automatically. You can also customize the panel however you want. This is also great. Earlier, I forgot to tell you that Flicky has a music library where you can find hundreds of songs. I used one of them to create this video. Once you have finished editing, you will have to download the video. For this, you will receive an email when the video is ready to download. I have been using Flicky for some weeks, and I think it is really useful if you want to save time and effort. Obviously, the editing is not as professional as editing manually. However, it can perform really well on YouTube. Remember that if you want to get views on YouTube, you have to provide value to the audience, so make unique videos. I will leave the link in the comments in case you want to try this tool. I also wanted to tell you that I am very grateful for all the support I have been receiving lately. We reached 1,000 subscribers a week ago, and this is just the beginning. It is a figure highly valued and respected by all YouTubers who are starting. And the achievements do not end there. We have achieved thousands of visits in a very short time and with only 9 videos, reaching a total of more than 50,000 visits in 2 months. It is clear that it is only the beginning. Get ready for the great content to come. You will learn to grow your YouTube channel step by step and without spending hardly any money on it. Therefore, leave in the comments what kind of videos you want me to make and I will continue creating free content for you. Thank you for watching the video and comment how you are doing with your channels currently.